Hey, back with another video. I'm at work. I'm at my client's house, but I just picked up another Poplin laundry order from a requested customer. I just did about, like 5 days ago. And so we're going to get her order as soon as I get off at 4 o'clock. Want you guys come along with me. We're going to pick up her order, and then tomorrow morning we'll drop it off before I have to be back to work. So come along with me. Laundry has been picked up, and now
In
what?
300 feet, turn right onto Daniel Lane.
And now
Take the next right onto Daniel Lane, then turn left onto Old Buckrow Road.
GPS is going off. Now I'm on my way to go check out this house that's supposed to have an open house. I just want to take a look at it. So here we go. Okay, guys, here's the house. This is nice. I'm not gonna stay. I'm just wanted to pop by and see how the house. But this is very nice. I don't like that it's right on a busy street. You gotta know exactly where you're going or you'll cause an accident. And it's not much of a driveway either. But it's a nice house. You can sit out on the screen porch. And it's got a tree right over, so you're getting shade. But I'm gonna go check and see if it's a side side driveway. So I don't think I can live in a place that don't really have a park. Just have enough park for one car, and you're on a busy street too. So that wouldn't work for me. But anyway, we're on my way back to the house and start on this laundry so we can drop it off in the morning before we have to be at work. All right, what you're about to see, the first one you screenshot you will see where you're going to click, check that you agree that you're going to put the correct weight. The next screenshot is where you're going to put your weight. You're going to weigh yourself, then put your weight. Then the last screenshot is where you're going to put the weight of the bag. So what you're going to do, you're going to get on the scale with the bag in your hand, weigh yourself, then put it in the app, and then put it in that last screenshot that I'm showing. Happy Sunday morning. It is 6:17 a.m. We're on our way to drop off the requested order that we picked up on yesterday. So let's go drop it off. Alright guys, I picked up a Spark order for $21.79. It is a 3 drop off. It's going 6.8 miles. So let's go get this order. Alright guys, we're at the Walmart, so let's go get us a spot. Look like we're gonna get spot number 10. And I hope they hurry up and bring that stuff out so I can get to work on time. Instead of getting the stuff, they out here talking. Lord, please don't let me be late for work. Oh my goodness. They were so slow. Let me complete pickup. First one is going to a house, and it is, let's see how far it is. "10 minutes away." Let's go.
Head northwest toward Cunningham Drive.
I mean, they have, I thought it was only 2 people, but they had plenty of help. I don't understand, and with the gentleman that was helping me, you could tell he was new. Oh my goodness, it's like, if I didn't have to be to work, because I know how it is when you're new on a job, but oh my God, it took forever to get my stuff. Forever. And I'm like, God, please don't let me be late for work. Please don't let me. Because normally I don't pick up from the store. It's normally
1,000 feet. Turn right onto Savannah.
one particular store that seems like I normally get in the morning time. And normally I'm the only one there, and he normally, you know, come on out or something. He makes me wait until 7, but still he comes on out, give me my stuff. And I get on by my way. But this one, oh my goodness, it's after 7, and y'all taking your time. Anyway, let's go drop this order off. To another house, and it is 7 minutes away, so let's go drop it off. And I'm praying, Lord, please let me be on time for work. These right here just dropped off to the kind of like a townhouse, not really a house, townhouse, but they're on the waterfront.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto Lakeview.
They're on the waterfront, so let me let you guys. Yeah, they're on the waterfront. Our last delivery, which is another house, and it is 4 minutes away. So we're gonna be on time for work. I was getting a little nervous, and they only have 6 items.
600 feet.
And they only have 6 items, so it's just a quick drop off and go. Deliveries have been dropped off, and I got caught in the light, so I'm just praying that, hold on, I'm just praying that I don't be late for work, but we'll see. Lord, let me get to work on time. And even if I get there 1 minute after, I'm okay. But I got caught in the light, and I thought that, excuse me, I thought that light was not gonna ever change. So, but we're finished now, and we're on our way to work. I'm going to close out the video. I thank you guys for being a part, watching, and supporting my videos. I'd like you to go ahead and subscribe, comment, give some feedback if you like. And definitely subscribe and be a part of the Gig Mom on a Mission family. I'll see you guys in the next video. And don't forget, again, I released a new coloring book. Let me roll this window. I released a new twisting coloring book. It's on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description box so you guys can go check it out. And it's for all ages. Toddlers, adults, whoever would like to be a part of the Gig Mom on a family. You know, whoever want to support Gig Mom on a family. So go check out the video, Lord, I'm all over the place trying to get to work on time. Go check out the coloring book, and I hope you guys go ahead and order some for yourself, order some from your friends, order some for your family. Birthdays, holidays, Christmas coming up. Just be a part and hope for you guys that you like the coloring book. I did work pretty hard, I think, and my daughters, two of my daughters helped me out, and came up with some quotes to put in the coloring book and some scriptures. We all worked together to put that coloring book out, but it was my idea. It was my main idea to go ahead and release a coloring book for children, because I don't know if I ever told you, for 11 years For 11 years I ran a daycare out of my home, and no, it wasn't just babysitting, because babysitting you don't have to be licensed. I had to be licensed and only have a certain amount of children in my home. The state came out to check, make sure everything was appropriate every month. I had to turn in documents so I can be paid for the food I supplied for the children. I was doing transportation, picking up, dropping off. Some of my kids' parents were paying, out of their pocket, but the majority of them was coming from the Department of Social Services. So I did run a daycare out of my home until it kind of changed the rules a little bit. So I got out. So I decided to go back, and that was on my heart to put out a coloring book for children, definitely for children, because I wanted them to know that you're beautiful just the way that you are. You don't have to put all this makeup on and all that, get surgeries and all that. You're beautiful just the way you are. So that's why I titled my book God's Beautiful Creation. Go check out the book. It's at Amazon, and I'll see you guys in the next video.